Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Meet the Selkirk Sport SLK Evo Pickleball Paddle, a next-gen elongated paddle built for players who want more power, control, and spin in every shot. Priced at around $79.99, this paddle sits in the affordable performance range, giving beginners and improving players premium carbon fiber features without a high-end cost. G8 Power Carbon Fiber Face for strong, responsive hits. SpinFlex Plus surface designed to boost spin and ball control. Elongated XL shape for better reach and extended shot coverage. Lightweight design, 8.1 ounces, for quick hand speed and easier reaction at the net. Polymer core for balanced touch and reduced vibration. Ideal blend of power plus control, making it beginner-friendly but still competitive. Pros: excellent spin potential with SpinFlex Plus surface. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Good mix of power and control for all-around play. Solid value for the price. Cons: not as advanced as premium tournament-level paddles. Elongated shape may take adjustment for beginners. Slightly less forgiving on off-center hits compared to thicker cores. Number 4. Meet the Proto Pickleball Paddle by Enigma Pickleball, a thermoformed raw carbon fiber paddle designed for high spin, solid control, and powerful performance on the court. Priced at $129.99, this paddle sits in the mid to premium range, offering advanced thermoformed construction and pro-level materials for serious beginners and intermediate players. Thermoformed raw carbon fiber build for extra durability and power transfer. 16 mm honeycomb polymer core for a stable, controlled feel with reduced vibration. Raw carbon surface designed for maximum spin and grip on the ball. USA Pickleball approved, legal for tournaments. Balanced power plus control setup, suitable for all playing styles. Lightweight design, 243G, for fast reactions and better hand speed. Large sweet spot for more forgiveness on off-center hits. Pros: excellent spin potential with raw carbon surface. Strong balance of power and control. Thermoformed build improves durability and stability. Tournament approved and competition ready. Cons: higher price than beginner paddles. May feel slightly stiff for casual players. Grip size, 5.5 inch, may not suit smaller hands. Number 3. Meet the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle, a premium-style performance paddle designed for serious spin, control, and all-around court dominance. At around $78.99, this paddle delivers exceptional value, offering multiple advanced face options and pro-level carbon fiber tech at a budget-friendly price. Available with T700 raw carbon fiber face for power and spin. Option for 18K Ultra Weave control surface for precision shotmaking. Aramid fiber link weave thermoformed construction for added durability. XL elongated shape for extended reach and better coverage. Lightweight, 8 Oz, for fast hand speed at the net. Polymer core for soft touch, control, and vibration reduction. Designed in the USA and suitable for all skill levels. Strong balance of spin, control, and power versatility. Pros: excellent spin and control options depending on face type. Lightweight and quick in fast rallies. Good value for a carbon fiber performance paddle. Forgiving sweet spot with solid stability. Cons: multiple versions can be confusing for beginners. Not as stiff or powerful as fully thermoformed pro paddles. Grip size may feel small for players with larger hands. Number 2. Meet the MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set of 2 or 4, a USAPA-approved beginner-friendly pickleball kit designed for casual fun, training, and recreational matches. At just around $34.29, this set delivers outstanding value, giving you multiple paddles at a very low cost, perfect for beginners, families, or group play. USAPA-approved fiberglass surface for official play compatibility. Comes as a set of 2 or 4 paddles, great for doubles or group games. Fiberglass face provides a soft, forgiving feel for beginners. Polypropylene honeycomb core for decent control and reduced vibration. Lightweight design for easier swings and less arm fatigue. Large sweet spot for more consistent contact and fewer mishits. Comfortable 4.57-inch grip size suitable for most adult hands. Ideal for recreational and entry-level competitive play. Pros. Extremely affordable for a full set. Beginner-friendly and easy to use. Great for families or casual group games. USAPA approved for official play. Cons. Not designed for advanced or power players. Less spin and precision compared to carbon fiber paddles. Durability is basic compared to premium models. Number 1. Meet the JOOLA Ben John's Hyperion CFS Pickleball Paddle, a pro-level carbon fiber paddle designed with elite spin, control, and signature performance from top player Ben John's. Priced at around $159.95, this is a premium paddle built for serious competitive players who want tournament-level performance and maximum spin control. Carbon friction surface, CFS, for extreme spin and ball grip. Elongated handle design for better reach and two-handed backhands. 16 mm core thickness for stability, touch, and control. USAPA approved for official tournament play. Engineered for elite-level consistency and shot precision. Strong balance of power plus control plus spin dominance. Designed in collaboration with pro player Ben John's. 8.4-ounce weight gives a solid but manageable feel in fast rallies. Pros. Outstanding spin generation and control. Pro-level build quality and stability. Great for competitive and tournament players. Comfortable elongated handle for advanced play styles. Cons. Expensive compared to beginner/intermediate paddles. Not ideal for casual or first-time players. Slight learning curve due to advanced performance design. If you want pro-level spin and control, this paddle is a top choice. Check the link in the description for the best deal. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe for more pickleball gear reviews and comparisons.